Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno7 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just the home screen as an example for this. And once the content is open and visible, hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll get a sound with this little pop-up right here with scroll and share option. The scroll option is only accessible if you have content that can be scrolled down, like a settings page as an example. You'll be able to tap on it and it will start scrolling down. Now, no matter where you capture the screenshot and how, you can then find that screenshot in your Photos application, and you can see it right over here. So there we go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.